In this video, I'll show you how to redirect your Namecheap domain to Linktree. First of all, you need to log into your Namecheap account. Then you need to click your profile in the top and go to your dashboard. Then you need to go to the domains list and you need to choose the domain which you want to connect to the Linktree. For example, this one, and click on Manage. After that, we need to make sure that we don't have custom name servers. So you need to scroll the name servers down, and if you are using the custom name servers, you need to switch it to the Namecheap basic DNS. Now we need to scroll down and look for redirect domain. Delete this record from here, and we need to click on add redirect, and we need to enter our domain name. Just copy the domain name and enter in the source URL. Then we need to go to the Linktree and copy our URL and paste in the destination URL. Now we need to click this tick. And then we need to add another direct. So we need to write www. Our domain name. And again, we need to copy the Linktree domain and paste it right here. Then click the tick button. And now we need to wait from few hours to 48 hours and our domain will be redirected to the Linktree. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.